Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to our chemistry class. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is mass spectrometry. Really friends, this topic is very interesting and very easy friends. Okay friends, before going to enter into our main topic, I want to ask you a question friends. Okay, see, for UV, visible and infrared, we usually use the suffix spectroscopy, but for mass we are using spectrometry. Okay, we are not using spectroscopy, but here we are using spectrometry. Okay, do you know the reason behind this friends? Yes, let me tell this friends. Okay, see, means in which cases we use the spectroscopy means whenever there is a interaction between the sample and electromagnetic radiation, then we use spectroscopy as the suffix friends, but here it is spectrometry. Okay, spectrometry means here with the sample electromagnetic radiation is not at all interacting friends. Okay, here the sample is interacting with high energy, okay, high energy beams, or we can say that high kinetic energy electron beams. Okay, so that here we are using the suffix spectrometry. Okay, hope you understood friends. Yes, see next, see here the name itself indicates that okay, mass means this spectrometry is mostly based on molecular weight. Okay, next, this mass spectrometry, okay, is also called as electron impact spectrometry. Okay, see, this mass spectrometry is also called electron impact spectrometry. Okay friends, see, this mass spectrometry is used to determine molecular weight of a compounds. Means actually this is used to determine the molecular weight of compounds, and really this mass spectrometry is the most accurate method friends among all other techniques. We have so many other techniques, no? So means, but of course in spite of having all other techniques, this mass spectrometry is really the most accurate method friends. Okay, see, next, see, let us take example friends. This is neopentane. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 carbons are present, and this is neopentane. We can write this as C5H12. No, yes, see, molecular weight of carbon is 12, so 5 carbons are present. So 12 into 5 plus hydrogen 1, so 1 into 12. So here the molecular mass of neopentane is 72. So here based on the molecular weight, means here molecular mass of the compounds can be determined. See, means next I will explain you all these things clearly. Today in this class just they will go through the minimum basics friends. Okay, see next, sign will appear in the form of mass to charge ratio. So whenever we observe the spectrum, okay, there we will see, means there a sign will appear in the form of mass to charge ratio. Okay, mass to charge means here the charge may be represented in the form of E or Z. So mass to charge ratio. Next, see, mass means generally we know about the mass, means we can easily calculate the mass. Then what about the charge means really friends? See, here generally means usually in most of the cases charge will be +1 friends. Okay, in most of the cases charge will be +1, rarely +2 friends. Okay, but mostly +1. Okay, see, neopentane. Okay, for this we had to find the mass to charge ratio. Okay, already here we have calculated the mass, no? So we got 72 as mass, so 72 by charge. So charge, so mostly generally the charge will be +1, no? So 1, so 72 by 1 is equal to 72. Okay, so this is a mass to charge ratio. Okay, next let us see the principle friends. Okay, principle is very important friends. Okay, see, a beam of electrons will be bombarded in the analyte compound and it will lead to removal of electron from the analyte. So to make you, means I want to make this very easy for you to understand friends. That's why I have represented this thing in this manner friends. Assume this as a molecule. Okay, here the beam of electrons okay is getting bombarded on this on this analyte compound. So that here what's happening means removal of electron will occur. Okay, I have shown the removal of electron at this place, friends. Okay, this first part shows that a beam of electron will be bombarded on the analyte compound. Okay, and here what will happen? After the bombardment of electron on the analyte molecule, removal of electrons will occur. Okay, see, and here two electrons will definitely get removed from the analyte compound. This we have to remember. Okay, two electrons will get removed. Okay, see, due to the removal of electron from the analyte, see, means from this analyte the electron is getting removed, no, so that this molecule will get positive charge. Okay, and this is known as a molecular ion. Okay, molecular ion. Okay, try to observe this, friends, then it is very easy for you to understand the principle and the whole concept. Okay, see, this is the molecule, friends. Okay, this is the molecule. Okay, and here assume these as a beam of electrons. Okay, okay, beam of electrons. So here ionization will occur. Actually means in the next videos I have explained all these things in a clear manner, friends. Just I want to make you understand a little bit in this, friends, because I don't want to go depth in this video only. Okay, friends, just let us have a look at the minimum basics, friends. Okay, see, this is the molecules and here interaction with electron, ionization will occur. Okay, how the ionization will occur, how the two electrons get lost, all these things I will explain you, don't worry. Okay, see, here the ionization will occur. Okay, this is the molecule having both positive charge and radical. Okay, so we can call it as what? Radical cation. Okay, radical and cation both are present also. Radical cation, or it can also be called as molecular ion or parent ion. Okay, try to remember these names, friends. Okay, radical cation, molecular anion or parent ion. Okay, next, see, here two electrons are lost, already we discussed, no? So after the bombardment two electrons are removed. Okay, so here two electrons are removed. So among these two electrons, one is the bombarded electron and second electron is from the molecule. This is very important, friends. See, first here one electron, of course beam of electrons will bombard, but for our simplicity, means for our sake to understand, here we are showing a single electron, friends. Okay, so here the single electron is getting bombarded with the molecule, no? So here the first electron which is removed from the radical, the first electron which is removed from the molecule is the bombarded electron. So this electron. Okay, next, this means here one electron has bombarded, but here two electrons are removed, no? Yes, sir. So among these two electrons, one is the bombarded electron and the second electron is from the molecule, friends. Okay, okay, see, here one electron is removed from the molecule, no? So that one electron remains as usual in this molecule, no? So that electron is represented in the form of radical. Okay, and as one electron is removed from this, it will definitely get the positive charge. So this is radical cation or molecular ion or parent ion. Okay, as cation and radical both are present, we can call it as radical cation. We know radical species or the atoms or the molecules which contains the radicals are highly unstable, no? So that this is highly unstable. Okay, so that the fragmentation will occur. Okay, as it is unstable, fragmentation will occur and the fragment ions are formed. Okay, these fragment ions can also be called as daughter ions. Okay, and see, these radical means these are unstable, no, but these fragmented ions or the daughter ions are stabilized. Okay, that means these are stable. Okay, next, see, and finally these are the stable ions, friends. And not only this point, friends, means usually we detect this one, means M1 plus and M2 plus in the spectra. Why means, see, in the spectra it is possible to detect only the positive charged ones. So as these two have the positive charge, it will be detected in the spectra. Okay, see, See, here I have mentioned this. See, radical cation. So, within the radical cation, fragmentation will occur, sir, so that the fragments will be formed. Okay, that fragments may be the cations, okay, or radicals or radical cations or neutral molecules. So, anything means any type of ions or radicals may be formed after fragmentation. Okay, next, see. Okay, see, here we have M1 plus and M2 plus, and these two will be detected as only positive charged ions can be detected in the spectra. Okay, try to remember this. Next, see, neopentane. Okay, it can be written like this, C5H12, as we discussed earlier. Yes, see, this point I will explain you later, friends, because I have represented that in a tabular manner, friends. Later I will discuss that. Okay, try to observe this, friends. Okay, see, neopentane. Okay, the molecular mass is C5H12. So this is the compound. Okay, now I am going to explain the entire principle which we discussed with this particular example, friends. Okay, see, this is C5H12 neopentane. So bombardment of electron will occur. Okay, okay, this is bombardment of electron. See, here two electrons are removed. So one is the bombarded electron and one electron is from the molecule. Okay, so that, see, as one electron is getting removed, one electron will remain as usual within this molecule. So that one means that electron is represented in the form of radical. Okay, as one electron is removed from the molecule, here we have to mention the positive charge. So this is parent ion or the molecular ion or the radical cation. Okay, and this is highly unstable because radical is present, no, so that the fragmentation will occur. See, here how the fragmentation occurs is very important, friends. Okay, try to observe this. See, we know here 5 carbons are present. Okay, 5 carbons are present and 12 hydrogens are present. Okay, see, means actually these are the possibilities, friends. Okay, fragmentation may occur in any manner, but these are the possibilities. Okay, we should know all these possibilities. Okay, see, okay, this is methyl cation and this is radical. Means, see, try to count the number of carbons. Okay, one carbon means here methyl cation is formed. Okay, methyl cation is formed means C5H12 means in C5H12 CH3 is formed as cation. So the remaining will definitely have to formed in the manner of radical, friends. So that here radical is formed. Okay, here as a cation C2H5 plus is formed. So the remaining part should be in the form of radical form. Same here. Here also, friends, see, this is methyl cation, ethyl cation, this is propyl cation. Okay, as propyl cation is formed and the remaining part of our neopentane group is ethyl, no, so that as this is formed in the form of cation, the remaining part should be in the form of radical. Okay, the same thing, friends. Okay, see, these are the fragment ions. Okay, and these are the free radical ions. Okay, actually means here what we had to remember is our fragment ions. Okay, means after the fragmentation, okay, these means these are the possibilities of the fragment ions. Okay, that we had to remember, friends. Next, see, the entire process I have mentioned in this manner because it is very easy for us. Okay, if we study like this, means, see, first step, the organic molecules bombarded with electron. Okay, so organic molecule, okay, will be bombarded with electron. This is the first point. Okay, after bombardment, okay, they will converted into highly energetic positively charged ions. Of course, along with the positive charge, they will definitely have the radical. So we can call them as molecular ions or parent ions, and they are highly unstable. Okay, so that the further breakup into smaller ions. So breakup occurs and they will convert into further smaller ions. So we can call those smaller ions as fragment ions or daughter ions. Okay, the formed ions are separated by, okay, the means here the ions or the fragment ions are formed. Okay, these fragment ions are separated by deflection in the magnetic field. Means while explaining the instrumentation you will easily understand all these terms. Okay, friends, means now what we have to remember is the fragment ions are formed. Now these fragment ions are separated in the magnetic field by deflection according to their mass and charge. Okay, and it will be observed in the mass spectrum. Okay, just for your means just for an idea, I have represented this, friends. This is mass spectrum of water, friends. Okay, we know means for water the mass is 18, no, H2O. For oxygen molecular weight is 16. Two hydrogens are present, so molecular weight of water is 18. Okay, okay, here mass to charge ratio. So mass is 18, charge usually we take the charge as 1, so 18 by 1, so 18. Okay, and this is the mass spectrum of water, friends. This is relative abundance and this is mass to charge ratio. So as the mass to charge ratio of water is 18, so relative abundance of this is also high, friends. Hope you understood this concept, friends. Okay, friends, thank you.